The third and the fourth are actually my favorite skills that I love, and I know that if you venture into it, you make money from it. Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Ijoma Edwin. If you're seeing my face for the first time, you're highly welcome to my channel. What happens in my channel, I talk about how you can actually make money online, grow tips, and much more. If that sounds interesting, don't forget to stick around in my YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button, hitting the notification bell, and giving this video a thumbs up so that other people tends to see this video and get the information. The first skill that I'm going to mention for you guys, that I know that if you actually venture into, if you actually sit down and learn it, you'll make more than $1,000 from it, is ghostwriting. Yep. Now with the aid of ghostwriting, you can be able to make good amount of money, yes, by just sitting at your comfort home, writing articles, writing blogs, writing script for people, and they tend to pay you. That is just what ghostwriting will do. So if you have the means, learn ghostwriting, have the basic knowledge of ghostwriting, and start from somewhere. Yes, and you see how you actually make money. So you may be wondering, why ghostwriting? That is because there are people out there that want people to write something for them without them doing it. They are looking for writers that will write something for them, and they will use it, pay the writer, and use what the writer wrote. So that is why people are actually in need of ghostwriting, if you ask me. So you can venture into ghostwriting and come back to this video and thank me later. The second one that I have on my list is digital marketing. Yes, that is a new oil money right now in town, digital marketing. So you can either be a producer or you can be a seller in digital marketing, but all goes both ways, and it's very good and it's very lucrative. So put your hands on digital marketing and you will thank me later. Yes, you will thank me later. See, digital marketing can be on anything. You see anything that you have the knowledge about. I know that many people out there don't have that knowledge. Put that into either an ebook, either an article, either a webinar, and make money out of it. Take this from me. You can do it. I feel like the only thing that that is stopping you is that you're seeing the negative side and you're not seeing the bright side of life. So start seeing the bright side of life and tell yourself that yes, I will learn the skill and I'll make money out of it, and you'll watch how you make money out of it, just so you know. Now the third one, which is my favorite and I still so much love, is UGC. Yes, UGC stands for user generated content. See, in the whole skills I'm about to mention, UGC seems to be the simplest. Take it from me, it's the simplest. Both male and female can actually go into UGC and they'll make a whole lot of profit out of UGC. No, you can be a UGC in anything. You can be a UGC in skincare, you can be a UGC in tech, you can be a UGC in lifestyle, you can be a UGC in travel, you can be a UGC in a whole lot of things. Okay, so UGC doesn't require much. UGC requires you just get the fundamental knowledge about UGC and kick into it. Now, just so you know, I'm a UGC creator. So yes, I'm saying out of experience. I'm a UGC content creator and I get a whole lot of benefits. I get to work with brands, just so you know. I get to work with brands. I get to get PR packages. I get paid collaborations and a lot. So if you want to learn UGC, drop in the comment section that you want to learn UGC and let me become your tutor. Let me take you through the aspect of UGC, which is still my favorite, that I still love, is faceless YouTube. See, when it comes to this particular two, UGC and faceless YouTube, I so much love them. Do you know why? Because they are not hard. It doesn't require you 6 months of learning before you make money out of it. It doesn't. Don't let anybody fool you. This one is like ghostwriting. It's not like digital marketing. These two that I'm mentioning are super high in demand and they'll make you money. Wait, when it comes to faceless YouTube channel, I see a whole lot of people sleeping on it. You're sleeping with it. When you know that you can actually make money as a faceless YouTuber. See, you don't want to show your face, it's fine. But you can make money by not showing your face here on YouTube. So I have 2 things for you guys. If you want to learn UGC, drop it in the comment section that I'm interested in UGC, and I'm gonna drop for you guys a link. If you still want to learn faceless YouTube channel, you want to know all about faceless, how to make money from it, Tell me that in the comment section that, okay, no, I want to learn faceless. My own is I want to learn faceless YouTube, and I'll send you guys a link that you actually join and you start making your money right here on YouTube. See, because I feel like it's when you earn in dollars that you can, when you spend it in your own country currency, you enjoy the benefit more. I'm telling you. So if it's still your goal that in this 2025 you want to make good money, learn these 2 skills that I'm telling you. Jack of all trade, master of all is what you've been known for. Take it from me. Okay, now the 5th that I'll be mentioning, that I know that if you go into fully well, you make money from it, but it's something that is long while, and it's video editing. Yes, video editing. Have you seen how much they are paying video editors? So if you're good in video editing, if you have knowledge about video editing, there are people out there that are willing to pay you tons of dollars just for you to edit good videos for them. It can be aesthetic pleasing videos, you know, it can be anything. They just want you and your skill. Yes, so if you're a good video editor, start making money being a video editor. Okay, you don't necessarily need much. Get a good camera. If for now, start with a good camera before you upgrade to getting more of like a digital camera. But if you have money, buy a digital camera. Learn how to edit. If you don't know how to edit videos, learn how to edit. Apply for forms and get paid. The last one on my list is graphic design. Yes, graphic design. You don't know what graphic design, how much they're paying graphic design. See, graphic designers can be likened to graphic designers and product designers. These are under designs, so you can choose one when it comes to graphic design. Graphic design is broad. Do you want to be a product designer? Do you want to be a app designer? So choose the one you want. If you see how much people are willing to pay people for just being a product designer, you know that you don't have to sleep on any of these skills that I'm mentioning. You don't have to. You really don't have to sleep on it. So get up. Okay, take it from me. Get up, learn a skill, come back to this video in the next 3 months and thank me later. Yes, let me be your motivator for this January. Go and learn a skill. Are you a guy? Are you a female? Learn a skill. Make your own money. I am telling you, take it from me. I am telling you, learn a skill and make your own money and enjoy. It's that simple. So my duty here is to look for ways which you guys can actually make money and share it with you guys. So if you find that effective, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give my video a thumbs up. Share it to your friends, okay? That is what friends are for. Share this video to your friends so that they will also get the information that I've just passed down to you. And don't forget to always stick around with Ijoma's Edwin's channel. Bye bye.